This is 266 with place value discs. I'm going to count out loud by ones from 266 to 272, 267, 268, 269, 270, 271, 272. What unit can I make with 12 ones? Yes, I can make a new 10 and have 2 ones left over. Our new number is 272. Let's use discs to count out loud by hundreds from 272 to 772, 372, 472, 572, 672, 772. What are the next two numbers in our pattern? That's right, we were counting by hundreds. So if we were at 772, 100 more is 872 and 972. All right, let's use place value discs to complete another 10. Let's count out loud. We are at 772, 773, 774, 775, 776, 777, 778, 779, 780. Say the next two numbers in our pattern counting up by ones. Remember, we are at 780, 781, 782. We traded the ones for a 10. Use place value discs to skip count out loud by tens from 780 to 700. Yes, remember, 780 to 700, we would be counting 10 less. 770, 760, 750, 740, 730, 720, 710, 700s. Let's say the next two numbers in our pattern. If we were at 700, and remember we were skip counting by tens going less, it would be 690, 680. So just remember, when you're using your place value skills to find patterns, make sure you think about if you're making a greater number or a smaller number, and if you're crossing over units. We can look at numbers in a pattern without using place value discs by looking at the place value that we see in the numbers that we know. So let's take a look. If we look here at 631, and that is the last number shown in our pattern, we know 631 is 10 less than 641. So that means our pattern, the numbers are going to be greater. So what is 10 more than 641? Yes, I can just add a 10, 651, 661. Let's see if this fits our pattern. 661, 651, 641, 631. So we know that our pattern is 10 less. That means we start with a greater number and get smaller as we count. Let's try another one. What are the missing numbers from our pattern? Well, 71. We're not seeing a lot of options, but we could count one less. Let's try it. 70, 69. How about this one? Say the pattern, filling in the blanks. So I notice, first of all, that we have a missing number and then 377, two missing numbers, and then 380. I don't think we're counting by tens because I notice that my one digit has changed. I don't think we're counting by hundreds either because our hundreds digit didn't change at all. Now notice our tens digit did change, but our ones did also. So I think we're counting by ones. So I'm going to start with the number that I know, 377. Let's see if this works. 378, 379, 380. Plus 1, or getting larger by 1, seems to fit. So 1 less than 377 is 376. Let's check. Does that count and fill in our pattern? 376, 377, 378, 379, 380. So our pattern would be one more.